SOMIC is a good name in the market. We as Deloitte have built a very good rapport with the SOMIC leadership. That has actually helped us now to take this to the market. In the automotive space, they are still on the on-premises. Most of the IT is under on-premises because it's traditionally Indian companies who are not more investing on the new age technology. SOMIC has taken that step to move their ERP to cloud.
We started our journey on Oracle in 2012. Considering the business growth and future expansions, we are discussing with our shareholders. What do we do next? So there were multiple suggestions from shareholders. We decided we should go with Fusion. One is that our people are very familiar with Oracle systems, and second one is that it is a cloud-based server, so accessibility becomes much easier. Based on quotes received, we had technical and commercial discussion with the parties, and we had internal discussion with the board, and we finally decided to go with Deloitte based on the reputation of Deloitte.
We are one of the few partners of Oracle who has an in-depth experience in the manufacturing sector. All the large implementations in Oracle that we are done are majorly done by Deloitte in India. And with SOMIC being done, we have also ticked the last checkbox of the automotive competitors in the market. What SOMIC got here was there were a lot of processes which they were doing it as manual or semi-manual perspective. With this implementation, that kind of inefficiency has turned into efficiency because those are automated processes. Solutions that we have delivered and the benefits that we are anticipating them to basically achieve is the cost optimization, because entire end-to-end process that they have is now in system. So where the costs are getting incurred, what are the prices at which they are selling, all those analysis and everything is available in the system.
People accepting change is a problem. It's always a challenge because our people, they were so much used to one system, EBS system with a lot of customization. And even though we know that Fusion is a better system, people still had reservations. They were very reluctant to accept the change. We had multiple discussions with the partner as well as our internal senior management to make people realize that, okay, this is the future and we should accept this.
But persistency is what helped us on this, right? And that's where the relationship that we build over a period of time with stakeholders like the IT head and MD helped us to kind of get to a stage where we wanted to do. And in fact, last 2 months of the project, we could not differentiate which is the Deloitte team and which is the SOMIC team. So the learning that we have is it is very important for us to build that rapport on the ground. So that we can get help from the corners that we seek for to achieve the outcome that we are looking for it, right?
When I talk to the people now, they feel that this is the best partner we can work with. So I think this is a perfect journey. People now love to work with Deloitte. If you ask any of our team members, they are very happy with Deloitte.